here is another. That's the beginning. This is the make do quilting section. And as you know, I like to make do. So this is quite interesting. We have all kinds of things. People just made do with whatever they had. Look at this. They put in some ribbons. It looks like, some of these I can't even tell what make do is. There's a couple that you could tell, oh, they made do. But here we have, oh, such beautiful quilts. And a lot of them are antiques. Look at that, that's a tree, and they just kind of made do with whatever they had. And this person, they ran out of blocks, but they didn't stress. Nope, they just put those nice big panels there just to make do. And then this one, she said, is from the 1800s, and it reminds me of crumb quilting, like a big crumb quilt where we just stick everything we've got in there. So this is the big double-sided sampler make-do quilt. And here is this. And what they did is they did not have enough stars, as she said, so they just threw in some needlepoint embroidery and made do. And so we have that. And look at this. Isn't this so cool? Look at that. That is a pretty cool quilt. And we're gonna come over here. Some blocks. And then we have, right here, we have this beautiful, I love the pink. Loving the pink. Here we are. And these quilts have been loved. Like, you clearly can tell the quilts that were maybe hanging, and then the quilts that were just loved. And personally, I love the quilts that are loved because they have a story, they have history. There you go. And then our last one for our make do quilt is right here. All right. Everyone, if you wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Let me know which is your favorite quilt. Take care. Bye.